Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm gonna make a video on a tutorial on how to make these custom emojis. Thank you for Jason Gamers to suggesting this. Alright, let's get started. So first, you want to go to the App Store / Play Store. Then you want to type in Polish. Polish, it should come up as this. Photo Editor Pro, that is the logo right there. You can install it, and then what you want to do after it's installed is go to Chrome and search the emoji. For example, this one. You just search it up, images, and look for one that has a transparent background. So it should pop up in white when you're on this page, but when you click on it, it should turn into that. So let's download this one. And then another one. Let's see. This one. Then same thing, you go to images and you find one that you see, like these are fake. I'm just gonna find one, guys, and I'll be back when I find one. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go for this one, and also I'll tell you that later in the video when I wanted to say. So now you want to go to Polish, the app that you just installed. Obviously you don't have to get the Pro. You hit Photo, boom, and then you choose one, you put it in. That's cool. That's a new feature. You go to Add, and then you put the next one in. You make it, I'm just gonna get rid of this and make it so it is not, dang it, I can't get it so it's not tilted. There we go. Then you try to get a good size of it. Then you go to Eraser and erase the parts you don't want. You can make the eraser bigger or smaller. And of course, thinking forever. This is just a tutorial on how to do it. I'm not actually gonna make an emoji. This ain't gonna look good anyway. It looks edited in. Hold on, let me just see if I can get it good, just to give you an example. You know. Then yeah, you just erase. And you can just fit it like that. Oops. And you can adjust it to make it look more like it. But I'm just going to finish this erasing right there. And yep, you can hit the brush to put stuff back. And yep, of course, filter. I recommend you don't use filter because it shows the transparency. Like, you'll see if you try, and then you can make it like darker, lighter, or anything, and then there's other ones too. Alright, and now you want to hit this and save. It'll save. So now, just in case, I recommend that you go to remove.bg. Click on that link. Should take you right to here. Hit upload image, and it's free. If you don't on computer or a laptop, it might make you do a human verification. But it's just like a simple check the background thing. And it downloaded. If there's any mistakes or anything, you just go to edit. Oops. what did I just put in the background? Who cares? And then you can just do erase and restore. And then just hit this one right here and hit download. And yeah. And now if you go to gallery, it's right here and you can test it out on like Hangouts or something like that. I just use this random person that I texted once and I don't know. And yep, you see it works perfectly fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Once again, thanks for Jason Gamers for suggesting this. And see you on the next video.